friends, welcome back to Indian Football Supporters YouTube podcast. Today we are going to preview Chennai FC for ISL Season 8. Today here with me, Roshan, Adi and Rajiv. If you want to join me like this, please contact me through Instagram. Link was in description. Subscribe to get more like this. So let's start the preview. Chennai FC going to play this season with their new coach Bosidar Bandovic, who have big achievements in Asia, who have good record in AFC Champions League for Buriram United, and have so many achievements for Buriram United in Thai League One. Roshan, what do you think about Bosidar Bandovic, Asian experienced coach for Chennai FC?
Yeah, hi everyone. So I think he's a really good coach. He has good experience in other Asian competitions, and he might do really well. Who knows? Because Asian coaches, after all, he has good experience playing all over Asia. That's what I've heard. So, and the players with Chennai FC side signed us. It's kind of weird, but I wouldn't say that. But they haven't been in their prime. But yeah, I think Chennai FC might have a good season, but I'm not expecting much from them.
When we came to Indian players of Chennai FC, they have a lot of talents like Anirudh Thapa, Changte, Vishal Keth, and many they are playing long time for Chennai FC. What do you think about Indian core of Chennai FC, Adi?
Yeah, actually, they have pretty good Indian players this season. Arrival of Deepak Devrani from Gokulam FC. He was I-League champion last year, and many experienced players like Changte and Vishal Kait and Narayan Das. So I think CFC are one of the best Indian squad in ISL this season.
Yes, bro. This year, Chennai FC was signed some amazing Indian players like Nintoy, Devjit Manjundar, Narayan Das, Deepak Devrani, and Davinder Singh, who was returning to football after an injury, especially Joby Justin. He also coming back from injury. What do you think about Chennai FC this year domestic signing, Rajiv?
I have to say about the three house deals that Chennai team has done. First of all, I say about Devjit. When you see him as a goalkeeper in the Chennai team, you should give priority to Vishal. Then why is he? Because we have no other experience other than Vishal. Then that is why he has been selected by the team management. Another one is definitely Deepak Devrani. Deepak Devrani has played in the I League and experience has played in the many matches. He has also slightly dribbling appearance when viewed by the opponents and it favors the team. And I want Joby Justin. Suddenly there was a no contract announcement on the team. Suddenly the team announced the Joby Justin's contract. He has already played for ATK Mohanbagan and he is experienced player in ISL. So this is a plus point of Chennai FC. This deal will strengthen the team.
When we came to foreign department of Chennai FC, they have only one experienced foreigner as Crivellaro, and their other foreign players are straightly coming to Chennai FC after playing top division club in Europe and Asia. What do you think about their foreign signings of Chennai FC, Rohan?
Well, I think foreign signings of Chennai FC is quite doubtful because from all the players, those players are quite young, except Quillaro, who has experience in ISL and Asia, of course. He's a quite experienced guy, and coming to other players like Midland and those defenders and those midfielders whom they signed, I know their names are pretty hard to pronounce, so I won't pronounce them. Yeah, they're not got much experience, but they seem quite young and efficient. So I think it's quite good signings from Chennai FC board.
This year also Crivellaro still with Chennai FC. Last year got injured in mid-season and Chennai FC not added and backup player. This year they have backup player and they have Crivellaro also. He have capability to destroy the defense of opponent team. We already seen it. Adi, how important is player like Crivellaro for Chennai FC? Adi is not here, so Rajiv tell it.
First of all, I said about Crivellaro. No one can replace Crivellaro place because he can assist, he can score the goal, he do both. But if Crivellaro injured, definitely I will go to the option Vladimir Koeman.
Yes,
Vladimir Koeman, who has come to Chennai as a midfielder, has a positive statistics in all the matches he has played. He will be the biggest challenges for the opposite team. But we will wait to watch for the Crivellaro plays. I think that is the point.
Yeah, that's true.
this year Chennai had a good goalkeeping department with Vishal Kait and Debjit Majumdar. What do you think about it, Roshan?
Yeah, I think both of them are good keepers. One of them might be the bench warmer. Who knows? But yeah, I think one of them will be a good starter. Like Debjit, we've seen him doing really good with East Bengal last season, and Vishal Kait, who's already proved himself in ISL. He's an experienced man, and I think he's going to be the starter, and Debjit is going to be the backup. But yeah, their goalkeeping department has been really good this time. Smart signings, and I think it's good job from Chennai to sign these both.
From Chennai FC, which Indian players will get chance to under 23 team, Rajiv?
Hello, repeat question please.
From Chennai FC, which Indian players will get chance to under 20 team, Indian team?
Under 29, under 21 team.
23.
23. I think
What about Rahim Ali?
hello, here.
What about Rahim Ali?
Rahim Ali player under 17 World Cup. He has also has experience, but he also a good choice for Indian under 23 team.
Yes.
He also,
I'm expecting under 23. I mean, he's got potential, So yeah, he might be a good one.
Rohan, what do you think about Chennai FC Indian strikers? Bosidar Bandovic playing style with two strikers, so there is more chance for Indian strikers for Chennai FC. How important is giving a regular chance to Indian striker for both Indian football and Chennai FC?
Yeah, this is what I love from Chennai FC for next season. They got only one foreign striker, which will give more chances to the Indian young strikers. You got Joby Justin, who hasn't done really good in ATKMB. He's surely going to get a chance in Chennai FC, and along with Nintoy, who's probably going to be a winger. He's a really pacey winger, and he'll get a chance as well. Another Chetri, who might get a chance as well, and of course Chante is going to get a chance as well. They got really good forwards and wingers who are Indian, so they're gonna get good chances, and this will be a big positive for Indian football as well as Chennai FC as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rajiv Walker, Rajiv,
yes.
can you hear me? From
Yes,
Chennai
here.
FC, which are the two players we had to watch in ISL 8?
Repeat question.
From Chennai FC, which
Okay.
two players we had to watch in ISL 8?
Like Tapa
Okay.
and definitely I will Vishal Kait, because Vishal Kait and Rahim Ali also.
Okay. What about you, Rohan?
If you're asking me, I choose Anirudh Thapa, Chante, and of course Kuralaro, who's already proved himself. But if you're asking from a new player, I think I'll choose Mirlan, the new winger whom Chennai FC signed. I think that was their first foreign announcement for the next season. I think he's one person to watch out for.
Yes. He have good achievement for his national team, Kyrgyzstan.
Yeah, he's got experience as well.
Rajiv, can you tell ISL 8 lineup of Chennai FC?
Lineup, I think 4-3-3. Vishal Kait as a goalkeeper. Jerry as a left back, or not. It is difficult to say his lineup. Vishal Kait, Jerry, Slavo Damojevic, Deepak Devrani, Riyan Singh as a defenders. These four members as defenders.
Okay.
Edwin Vanaspal and Crivellaro Thapa as midfielders. Because
Okay.
of ISL rule, rules only 4 players to use in your game.
You-
So
four foreign player and one
and
Asian.
Asian
Three
players.
plus three plus one role.
Changte, in a forward Changte, Polish striker, and obviously Mirlan Musarif.
That good
Yeah,
lineup.
right. Good lineup.
Rohan, you tell lineup.
Yeah, my lineup is also quite similar to what Raju said. I choose the same thing.
Okay.
Pretty much the same thing. Yeah.
But
Yes,
it's
yes.
difficult for defending program because Narayan Das is a good option for Jerry.
Yeah, he's also a good option as well for the
Was
left
Jerry
back.
and Salam Ranjan Singh also in the center back. So
Yeah.
difficult to
One
make to
positive
team
with
fun.
one positive with Chennai FC have is that the Indian centre back Deepak Devrani. I'm expecting good performances from him as an Indian centre back. It's rare to find Indian centre backs, and I think he'll do good.
Indian football fans started to say Devarani is second Sangesh Jingan.
Yeah, hopefully. He's really strong. He's got good physique as well.
Yes, yes. Last season, what was missed by Chennai NFC?
I,
Yeah.
Rajiv,
So
Rajiv, tell first.
okay.
Rajiv. Okay, Rohan, you can
Yeah. Anyway, so
take.
Chennai FC last season, their main negative was that they were depending only on one player, who was Rafael Crivellaro. So they depended too much on him, by which he got injured and been a huge downfall. So depending on one person wouldn't really work out. That's what I've learned. And yeah, there a lot of players have not stepped up until the end, which is quite bad as well. And most of their foreign signings like Isma, Jacob have been kind of flops. So they depended on
Yes,
Crivellaro a lot, which was a negative point.
yes. They signed last minute Dance Rote for
yeah,
for
yeah. But it was a late signing for CFC.
yes. They not find a good replacement for
Yeah,
Crivellaro.
yeah.
Yeah.
What change will be Chennai had to do this season?
Yeah, so this season, I think Chennai FC have to get good understanding between those players, between the Indians and the foreigners, and hopefully avoid injuries and then give chances to everyone. And there should be good chemistry and good understanding between the players. And I think they'll have a good season. Not expecting much from them, but hopefully they'll have a good season.
Yes. Yes, I read some reports that tells Chennai FC have capability uh, to become one of the top four sport
Yeah,
council top four
yep.
sport.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Let's hope they will perform well.
Yeah. I mean, after all, because of this four foreigner rule, Indians have a deeper role to play. And I think Chennai FC have really good Indian players. They got a good Indian base. So, yeah, hopefully they'll do good.
Yeah. Only
Rajiv,
one thing to CFC was used. Currently, Chennai FC have a good contracts, but it depends on the performance of the coach.
Yeah, that's
yes,
true.
yes,
It's my wish that the mistake made by the last time coach Saba Lasso should not be made of this time by new coach.
Yeah,
We have a
yes,
lot of talented players like Tapa, Mirlan, Changte,
yep,
uh,
you're right.
and we need to use them properly.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Because
Changte had to,
Anirudh Thapa has shown his talent in past matches and past season, last season also.
yes. Changte had to score goals, more goals. He had to
Yeah,
score more goals in Chennai FC and for Indian team also. He
Yeah,
was getting chances but not scoring.
yeah. He
yeah,
found his form really late in the campaign, which wasn't so good.
Yes, yes. While he was playing Delhi Dynamos,
Yeah,
how
he
we
was really good
today,
that time.
I, how we today hyping Nemil like that we hyped Changte that
Yeah,
time.
that's true. He was one of the best Indian wingers at that point of time.
Yes. Adi, what do you think Chennai FC this season? Which position will finish in table?
Hello,
Yeah,
Adi, can you hear me?
can you hear me?
Yes. After this
Yeah.
season, which position will be Chennai FC for in table?
I think they have the ability to finish in top four.
Yep.
They have done pretty good foreign signing like Bandovic, etc. And also they have pretty good Indian players like Joby Justin, who have won Golden Boot in I League to finish in top four.
Yes.
Rajiv,
Yes.
you
Yes,
you
yes.
can tell it. Yes, you tell about finishing in table, last finish.
I think Chennai FC definitely finished on top four because he made it a good deals and good contracts. I'm already told. I think I'm already told we need to use them properly. Yes, we have Jabi, Justin, Changte, Mirlan, Edwin, Tapa, and Deepak, Kate, Devjit. So we have a lot of talented players. We need to use them properly.
Okay, Rohan, your turn. This
Yeah. So I think Chennai FC will finish somewhere around fifth or sixth at least. So because they got good Indian base and their foreign signing seems doubtful, but the Indian base is quite good. And it all after all, it comes down to a coach and the understanding between him, the Indian players and the foreigners and the chemistry as well. So I think they're gonna finish at fifth or sixth. But
yes,
who knows
yes,
if they can surprise me and finish in top four. Anything is
yes.
possible.
By the start of the season, they got defeated, and mid of season they winning.
Yeah.
Let's look how was they performing in
Yep.
this ISL season.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, video is over. I
Yeah.
hope you enjoyed this video. Please forgive us if we done any mistakes in this video. We will
Yep.
try best in video also.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe as well. And see you next time. Bye.
okay. Bye.
See you guys.
Okay, bye. See you guys.